0.375 times 0.001. To multiply this factor with this, what will you do? Just count the number of decimal places after decimal 1, 2, 3. So since this is a power of 10, like but less than 1, 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, these number are power of 10 but less than 1, 10, 100, 1000. These are also power of 10 but less than greater than 1. So just count the number of decimal places and move the decimal plus equal number equal place 1 to 3. So decimal point will move from right to left 3 place 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 2 3. Yeah, so we are getting decimal 0.000000375. You can write another zero before this decimal to mean that this number is less than 1.